guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this line art on Adobe Illustrator. So get an image of anything you want basically, and I'm just going to place it here. Lock this layer, and on this layer you're just going to draw over it. I'm just going to select this color so you can see it. I'm just going to roughly draw it. I'm not gonna be perfect because I'm just trying to make it as fast as I possibly can for you guys. Oof, that was rough. Try to do it in like one line. Obviously I'm not going to do it for the antennas. I'm going to do that separately. Once you're done, you're just going to get the image and you're just going to delete that. You're going to still need the layer though. I'm going to select this and I'm going to color the outline black. Oops. Well, I'm going to do it for all of it. Okay. It's so messy. Anyways, select this layer, lock the rest, and you're just going to fill it in using the drawing tool again, using your favorite color. I just use this blue. And I'm just going to, I'll just use a bigger brush as well. That did not do anything, but I'm just going to do that one by one, and you're just going to fill it in with that color, and you're just going to do it for all of the wings and everything else. You can use a different color as well, but that's pretty much it really. It's that simple. Obviously you're going to want to do a neater job than me, but I'm just doing it so you guys can see the end result. I might do like a purple color on this one. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!